Hey everyone, today we're tackling the P013E trouble code. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, it means there's a delayed response from your bank 1 sensor to oxygen sensor. Let's dive into what it means, how to diagnose it, and how to fix it. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P013E, meaning O to sensor delayed response, rich to lean bank 1, sensor 2, indicates a delayed response from the downstream oxygen sensor in bank 1, potentially causing the engine to run to rich or to lean. Check engine light on. Poor fuel economy. Rough idling or stalling. Failed emissions test. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold, so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has new seals, and never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set, otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it, so the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Sensor number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor, behind the converter. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After replacing or cleaning the sensor, clear the codes with your scanner. Now take the car for a 10 to 15 minute drive and monitor the live data again. If the code doesn't return, you're good to go. That's it for today. If this helped you fix your P013E code, hit that like button and subscribe for more car repair guides. Drop a comment if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. See you next time.